Picking up stitches along a slip stitch edge. I've knitted a piece of stocking stitch fabric that I've given a tidy slip stitch edge to. I'm going to pick up into each of these slipped stitches and work in garter stitch. To pick up these stitches, I will insert my needle under both strands of the stitch, making sure I'm at the edge of my work. I then will just knit into that space. Being mindful that I have my working yarn and not my tail, I will insert my needle under both strands of the second stitch, wrap my yarn, and draw through a loop. Inserting under both strands, wrapping my yarn, and drawing up a loop. Inserting my needle under both strands and knitting into the space. It is very important that you get under both strands of the stitch to keep your work even and tidy. And I'll continue in the same manner until I've reached the end of my row, at which point I can work back and forth in rows in garter stitch in this new contrasting color. This will create a nice decorative edge to my work. I've knitted a few rows and my work is shaping up quite nicely. And that's how you pick up stitches along a slip stitch edge.